Hi guys! This time we are talking about an Arab country from Africa called the Atlas Lions, Morocco. How can this Arab nation, a breed from French and Spanish protectorate, can surprise the world with football? Let's explain now. The Morocco national football team, affectionately known as the Atlas Lions, represents Morocco in international men's football competition. It is managed by the Royal Moroccan Football Federation, also known as FMRF. Team colors are red and green. The team is a member of FIFA and the Confederation of African Football, or CAF. The Royal Moroccan Football Association was founded in 1955, when Morocco ended a French protectorate since 1912. In 1959, the team participated in international competition for the first time, participating in the qualifying rounds of the 1916 Rome Olympics. But the team finished in second place on goal difference and could not move up the order. In the same year, the Moroccan Football Federation joined FIFA. In 1960, Morocco participated in the World Cup qualifiers for the first time. Unfortunately, they didn't qualify as lost to Spain in a 4-2 aggregate. In 1968 and 1969, the team participated in the 1917 World Cup qualifiers in Mexico. Their debut eliminated Senegal and Tunisia after a draw. In the final round of qualifying rounds against Sudan and Nigeria, Morocco outscored Nigeria with 5 points to qualify for the World Cup final for the first time. On June 3, 1970, Morocco surprised West Germany when Hermann Jarrell in the 21st minute. But in the second half, West Germany won 2-1 with goals from Uwe Schürrle and Greg Müller. On June 11, 1970, the eliminated Morocco scored a comeback goal in Mohamed Gassoni's system match in the 1-1 draw with Bulgaria. It was first point scored by an African national team at World Cup. Coached by Romanians Virgil Mădălășu and captain Varas, Morocco qualified for the second time in the 1976 African Cup and will crowned continental champion. Morocco qualified for the 1986 FIFA World Cup in Mexico. Surprisingly, winning group match against Portugal, England and Poland with 2 draws against England and Poland, and a 3-1 win over Portugal. However, they were narrowly eliminated by West Germany in the first knockout round, thanks to goal from Lothar Matthäus just 1 minute before the end of regulation. Morocco became the first African and Arab nation team to pass the first round of the World Cup. Morocco participated in the 2004 African Cup, playing in Group D against Nigeria, Benin, and South Africa. Morocco qualified for the knockout stage and met Algeria. They eventually won 3-1 in extra time and 4-0 in the semi-final against Mali. They lost 2-1 to Tunisia in the final. In 2014, Morocco participated in the Africa Cup coached by Hassan Denabicha. Morocco failed to get past the second round after a 3-4 loss to Nigeria in the quarterfinal. Morocco returned to the World Cup in 2018 for the first time in 20 years. The North African team entered Group B alongside World Cup favorites Spain, Portugal, and Ireland. In their opening match against Iran, Morocco gave it their all, but lost to prove an own goal in the final minute of the game. In their second match, Morocco faced Portugal, but lost 1-0 to a goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. In the final game against Spain, they looked 2-1-less, but were unable to hold it and drew 2-2. Morocco entered AFCON 2019 with great confidence and their players claimed to be favorites. However, Morocco surprisingly lost to Benin in the round of 16, despite winning 3 consecutive group stages. At the 2020 African Cup in Cameroon, Morocco won their second title in 2 consecutive finals. Led by Ayoub El Kaabi, they beat Togo, Rwanda, Uganda, Zambia, and Cameroon to reach the final against Mali. Morocco won 2-0. In December 2021, Morocco kicked off their venture in Group C of the FIFA Arab Cup 2021 alongside Jordan, Palestine, and Saudi Arabia. They opened with a 4-0 win against Palestine and Jordan with the same score. They won the final match with 1-0 victory over Saudi Arabia. They were eliminated in the quarterfinal by Algeria on penalties. This is such surprise from Morocco. Will Morocco have another surprise at the World Cup? We will see. Thank you for watching. Bye.